Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and this is a clip from my sewing machine maintenance that I did behind the scenes. This was my first time doing some sewing machine maintenance, and I just realized that every time my thread broke, it got stuck somewhere, and that's where it is. So when I saw it, I had to figure out a way to get it out because it was actually affecting the way my sewing machine works. So I just grabbed my little scissors and I'm just going to dig in between that black thingy and the silver I don't know, steel, I don't know what that is, but yeah, you see me do it. I'm just going to be digging in there trying to get it out. And yeah, I actually recorded this in September last year, and I just had this clip because I thought it would be useful. So yeah, here we go. So these are the pieces of thread that were stuck in there. I got everything out, checked with my needle, everything was out. I cleaned it up nicely. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Do come back next time, because after this I am going to be posting my sewing machine maintenance video, and you definitely want to see that. So subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing. Until next time, peace.